Alright guys, another day exit. JT is leaving the building. That's right, I'm done for the day. I had enough fun for the day. Hey, that's nice there guys. I've had enough fun for the day. Anybody own one of these Renegades? My friend rented one time. She actually liked it. I guess that's the whole point when rental car companies rent cars. Okay, the whole point is to hopefully you like the car, especially if they're in cahoots with the car maker. Let's say Chrysler has a contract with, let's say, National Car Rental or either Avis. Okay, I'm sure they get some type of kickback from potential car sales, because it's exactly what it is. When a customer rent a car, if they like it well enough, they will likely purchase it. Or at least that's the hope. That's the plan. Guys, my little beat up PT Cruiser. All right, yeah, I know I got it back from my daughter. Love this little car, man. Still a PT Cruiser fan. Look at that. Ever since I got it back, I done turned it into a junky mechanic car. I don't care. It's what I do. Look at all the construction work, guys. We're almost done. I'm gonna show y'all a picture of the projected, how it's projected to look. They already got the blueprints on the wall in the waiting room. And I got so much footage. So I got so much history and footage with this lot, even on film, because I filmed a lot. You know, I exercise. I used to run up and down those stairs. I remember the stairs we had. That was my morning exercise. And none of this used to be all trees, right? So I got so much. I'm gonna pull a lot of that footage up and compare it, at least when they done. But man, this could be a year, man. Coronavirus done slowed these guys down. They not as pumped up. And the weather. When it rains, I guess it slows everybody down. It slows everything down. And now, guys, from what I'm told, we had to move some cars so they have a place to put some dirt. Y'all know you got to have a place to store dirt, and you don't want to take it off the lot because you're gonna need the dirt to create more. I don't know, man. It's crazy. And rocks and stuff. So they bringing some steel beams in tomorrow to add down there. But I saw a blueprint, actual projected the way it's gonna look when it's all said and done. Okay, so I'm sure that was all land over there. I'm sure they had to buy the land, a couple johns all the way down on the end for the workers, I guess. But when it's all said and done, guys, this place will look totally professional. All right, but what's weird? Not really weird. We still selling cars. We still running on all cylinders. Okay. I guess, I don't know, man. The automotive industry is like resilient. It's just keeps a licking, keeps a ticking, and keep on licking. How'd it go? Did I say that right? Keeps a ticking and keep on licking. I don't think that came out right, y'all. But don't hold it against me. It's been a long day. I'm tired and beat up, and I got beat up, hammered on a couple of cars. Oh, long day. It's a QT over there. I will go over there and get me something to drink. I don't really, but ain't nothing but sugar over there. I don't really drink beer, so I just go home and get some Kool-Aid. Not Kool-Aid. I got some ingredients at home. I want to make me a special JT smoothie. But yeah, man. Oh, this is the dumpster. The dumpster in my way. But other than that, guys, it's a nice little view of the. See that Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram. God, I was supposed to get y'all a tour of the lot. All the new, but since all the Chargers are leaving, it's weird, guys. So I don't know what a plant is that make the Challengers and Chargers. The Scat Pack. Y'all see that one right there? I don't even think that's new. Well, it's got to be new. It's on a new car lot. It's one, and we got one on the showroom floor. But I heard they can't keep up with demand. People are coming in here wondering, where is the damn Hellcats? And I always thought that stuff had to be ordered anyway. We're not just gonna set Hellcats on the showroom floor waiting on, hoping somebody come in and buy it. That stuff has to be ordered, and on top of that, we basically the middleman. I see a couple of hot shot Challengers down there, but and it's got a Scat Pack, the thing on the top. Okay, so it has to be well, a lot of guys, that may be the wrong color for somebody. That look kind of oranges. People may want a special color, but I heard the demand is still out there, but they don't have any cars. It's like the plants done shut down. I don't know what's going on, man. Go figure, man. The technical side of the thing. I'm just on the mechanical side. All right, so yes, I'm just gonna sit here for a minute, man. Let this car cool off. It is extremely hot out here. Shut up, radio. Man, I'm in the Atlanta area, the Georgia area. Yes, it is scorching hot. Come on, AC, do what you do. For those of you riding around without AC, I'm so sorry. I apologize. And I'm not even a big AC guy. I like to, let my window down. Let nature take his course. Let nature do his thing, man. What was y'all doing before AC was invented? Some of y'all wasn't even born. A lot of y'all wasn't born. So no one has really experienced going without AC. See, man, we in this country, we so spoiled. We so, think everything's supposed to be handed to us on a silver platter. But y'all know, somebody said this on TV the other day, and it's like, I never thought about this. We're some of the only group of people on this country that is, that can go fishing on a full stomach. Okay, a lot of people, a lot of folks in other countries out fishing and hunting for their next meal. We got it so good, we can go fishing, we can catch a nice pretty bass. Oh my God, take pictures, holding the fish up, and God, take it off the hook and put it back in the water. Put it back in the water. That's how good we got it here in the United States. Okay, so this is this is a good country to be living in, to be a part of, I ain't about to go political with y'all. I'm just saying, guys, no, religion and politics, I try to steer clear. When I was an Uber driver, guys, oh my God, that's all passengers want to talk. They so bold. Well, who did you vote for, baby, last year? Who did you vote? They don't care what they ask you. I was an Uber driver in my van before it got wrecked. Man, customer, I was like, I'm sorry, ma'am, I don't really talk politics or, well, baby, what kind of church you a part? I don't really talk religion, ma'am. It's just a preference of mine. I steer clear of political discussion on this channel. Now, there's a time and a place for those discussions. Yes, if I'm a special guest on another guy's channel via, streaming and all that, yeah, we can talk politics all day long. But, no, not on this automotive channel. So, but yeah, man, we live in a great country, okay? There's a lot of stuff going on in the country right now. Some good. Nobody with a trade should be, I won't say unemployed, but they should not be earning a living. A trade, anything you have to do with your hand. If you can do this, pull a string out of a lawnmower, you can cut grass. Man, it's, like I said, I learned something new, or I learned something new that I can do, all the time, guys. I just realized, let me tell y'all about this. I'm about to go. Yeah, I'm nice and cool now. I just realized, y'all listening? I'm something like a plumber, man. I'm something like a plumber. Guys, I put a toilet in my house. You hear me? You hear me what I say? I put a toilet in my house. For a while, for the past 3 months, it's supposed to be a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. For the last 3 months, it's been a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath. Okay? So, I finally got a toilet replaced. Guys, it is so freaking, oh man, the wax seal. Now, that was the hardest part, getting the old wax seal out. You get that off, put the new one on, set the brand new toilet down. And guys, best believe, I filmed it, baby. I recorded it. All right? Right in the middle of an automotive 3.6 Pentastar engine video, guess what's going to pop up? JT, how to replace a toilet. Yes, I need all the content. I love content, man. This content thing is spreading the channel around. Yes, man. So you'd be surprised what you can do until you actually have to do it. Until you actually have a choice. Should I pick up my phone and call a freaking plumber to come put a toilet in my house? Or should I simply read the directions? Read the directions. And this is a gazillion videos on everywhere on how to do stuff. People just giving away information nowadays, man. I try to give away tips, okay? Now, I don't want to hold anybody's hand and prevent people from going. You know, you got to be careful what you do, but tips is, you have to figure out how to utilize the tips that I give you. Hopefully you do that in the best way possible. But, yes, it's a wealth of information out there, and I'm like a plumber. Hey, I might give me some plumber clothes. I might start a business. JT's Toilet Replacer. I already got JT the car guy. Guys, do you know that was I'm just yapping. Let me get out of here. Do you know, guys, anybody out there with a website, not a website, a channel? I know at least 4 guys in my circle with a channel. Guys, go by your name, okay? My name was available. The name I've been wanting, JT the car guy. Okay, I went on GoDaddy, put that in the search. It was available under the .com part. You know, there's a lot of extensions besides .com, but JTthecarguy.com was available. Spam, $11. I got it for a year. Now what I do with it is remains to be seen. Right now, I got it forwarded to my YouTube channel. So if you punch in JTthecarguy.com, it's going to be forwarded to my YouTube channel until I get a website. I plan on eventually getting a website. And I also bought Recalls Are Us. I'm going to be doing a lot of recall videos. I got a lot of things in store, guys. Eventually, this is what I want to be doing for a living. After I saw what some people are making on YouTube, oh, God, why didn't I start this 5 years ago? I got to go, guys. If I sit here, I'll be yapping with y'all all freaking day. I'm done for the day. What a crazy day this was. Guys, I'm in my PT Cruiser. That boy got a PT Cruiser. I love this car, man. Okay, what y'all say about my PT, man? This PT, getting it, okay? I got to get on my PT Cruiser Facebook page. I ain't been on there in a while, logged in. I'm sure it's people over there asking stuff. I try to answer all questions, guys, but it's becoming overwhelming. And that's a good thing. That's a good problem to have. But I try to get to every freaking comment, good or bad. I don't care. I'm answering. I'm going to respond. All right, I'm getting on the road, guys. So last time I was driving and filming, people looking at me like, what's wrong with that fool? He talking to himself? No, lady, mind your business. I'm shooting a video. Alright, online mechanic tips. In fact, go subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Alright, guys, I'm a roll. I'm at a red light. I'm in this right here. Guys, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next